Welcome back. Today I'm going to be using this TurtleWax Headlight Lens Restorer. A common problem over time is that headlights can oxidize and become cloudy or even quite yellow. So we want to use this pack to clear up the oxidation and restore the clarity and brightness. The pack contains a spray lubricant, clarifying compound, sealing and base coat wipes and these restoration pads, though this may vary. The pads are labelled from grades 1 to 4, so it does make it easier to use. So we'll need some car shampoo, cleaning towels, rubber gloves and some masking tape. To begin, we need to wash the headlights thoroughly and protect the surrounding paint with masking tape. Apply the clarifying compound to the whole headlight and buff with a clean cloth. Things have already improved, so time for the next step. It's important to keep the lights and pads lubricated. You begin with pad number 1. Rub in a back and forth motion covering the entire headlight. This pad will be used the longest. Give the lights a quick wipe and then move straight onto the next pad. Rub in the opposite direction at 90 degrees and use for 1 minute. Repeat for pads 2 to 4. After you're finished, dry the headlights and then reapply the clarifying compound. Again, buff with a clean cloth. Finally, wipe both headlights with the base coat wipe and once dry, the lens sealing wipe. So here's how we started and this is the result. It was around an hour's work. I think the results are really good. Prices start from around £10, so I think you'll save in the long run. As always, thanks for watching.